Good day and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Office Practice Past Question 6. Which of the following is an electronic source of information? A. Encyclopedia, B. Internet, C. Journal, D. Magazines, and E. Newspaper. So we're asked to pick an option which is an electronic source of information. Now, first of all, what do you understand by electronic source of information? We said these are electronic source of information are sources of information. These are sources of information that are held in a digital or electronic format. So these are sources of information that are held in a digital or electronic format, and that's why they are called electronic source of information. Now this source of information can be searched. They can be searched or retrieved. They can be searched or retrieved by an electronic network. They can be searched or retrieved by an electronic network or electronic data processing. Electronic data processing. So this is just a simple word description or definition of electronic source of information. These source of information are held in what digital or electronic formats. Now A here says encyclopedia. Like we know, encyclopedia is a book. It's in a physical word form, and so it's not what an electronic source of information. B here says internet. Yes, internet is an electronic source of information because what it is in a digital format. For you to access any information from the internet, you have to use what electronic network. So it is an electronic source of information. Journal is not, it's a physical. Magazine also are physical, and newspaper too are physical. So the answer to this question is option B, internet. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.